Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is an old memory. Not really a taste test because I've had 4 bags of these and I've ate 3, and this one will probably get eaten tonight. These are Capp Hot Fries. I didn't even realize they were still making them. They used to have a cartoon character, the same guy, and he was English and he had a wife, and he liked to drink a little bit. And enjoyed reading them as a kid, but I don't know if they still have comics like that. I hadn't got a paper. I couldn't tell you when. I read everything online. But when I was little, my folks weren't big on hot stuff. I couldn't tell you that we ever had a spicy meal, and I love spice. Well, these were the first things, because they had on there, just like they are now, hot fries. We got a little thunder going on here in Carolina today. The oldest boy of mine, when he was a little fella, he used to call it dunder. He said, "It's dundering." Well, when I first saw these, I knew I had to have them. When I was young, these were about as spicy as stuff as we had in the local area. And then I discovered red pepper. I guess I always had it, but like I said, my folks just weren't that big on spicy stuff. I don't even know if my parents really cooked with garlic a lot. It was just plain country food. It was good food, but since I discovered garlic and different spices, I kind of go overboard, more so than not. But I used to get these things, and then they quit making them. I couldn't find them. But I was at a friend's house, and they had red pepper. Well, I put it on my hamburger and hot dog and fries after I discovered it, and they couldn't believe that. And I finally got my mom to get me a thing of red pepper. Sorry about that noise. That's Stretchy out here making noise. And then I discovered Texas Pete, which I like hot sauces, but I prefer Frank's now because it has more of a flavor to it than just heat. And don't get me wrong, I like my hot sauces. There's one, it's got a wooden cap on it, Cholula or something like that in Spanish. And I'm not going to even start talking Spanish. My Spanish gets me in trouble. So anyway, I found these and I was eating them, and it just brought back a bunch of memories of being able to eat something hot. And these really aren't that, to me, they aren't that hot now. I mean, they've got a little bit of seasoning to them, but not like, I preferred when I was younger, and I've kind of had to take a break on a lot of the spices. Thanks for coming by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.